Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing consular reports of birth abroad. For those who are unaware of what this is often referred to internally oftentimes by State Department personnel as a so-called CRBA. And a CRBA is, again, consular report of birth abroad. It is very similar to a birth certificate, but it is not a birth certificate per se. What is it? For example, a baby is born to an American couple or to just one American by, for example, a Thai here in Thailand. That baby is born in Thailand. They're issued a birth certificate. They may or may not be a Thai citizen. For our analysis here, it doesn't really matter. They are an American, though. Once their birth certificate is issued, you can make an appointment with the U.S. Embassy. There's going to be some paperwork to deal with, applications, documentation, and get an appointment. Go on down to the embassy, you partner in your baby, and go ahead and apply for what's called a consular report of birth abroad. Once this document is issued, for American purposes, it effectively acts in lieu of their U.S. citizenship. But more importantly, the consular report itself, and that is what it is, it's a report of birth abroad of an American, triggers the process of getting things like the passport and Social Security documentation for the child. So, the consular report of birth abroad is very, very important with regard to dealing with travel documentation as well as benefits and tax documentation from back in the United States and getting a passport issued, but also having a document that acts as if it's a birth certificate for interacting with American legal institutions, if you will. So again, that's what the CRBA is. Now, is the process going to change much in 2025? I expect not from 2024, frankly. The CRBA process just sort of is what it is. I don't really think it's going to change year to year depending on major policy changes. Now, that being said, Trump is talking about revoking things like birthright citizenship, but that pertains to folks born in the United States on U.S. soil. At least for now, it doesn't look like we're seeing major changes to the law with regard to Americans born outside of the United States. Now, that being said, again, it would require pretty major changes, I would think, to legislation regarding citizenship. So I don't think that's going to change anytime soon. That being said, we'll certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.